I seem to have lost a water bottle. I brought two. I definitely want to. So let's see if we can find it. Couldn't have gone far. I brought two just for that issue. So I must have lost it down here. Somewhere. Let's see if we can find. Be it there's water bottle. I'm not making a song. Oh, hey! Found it. Good. Now, you've seen this. This is the Katadyn Pocket filter. Hiker, camper, super duty, been there, done that filter. You really don't need to filter this water up here, but I'm going to because I got a sensitive stomach. So, open one, come back. Wrong filter. Now the water's cloudy because I put Gatorade in the bottle. I find it really helps me, and I put a shot of electrolytes in there as well. So it gives a good flow. Okay, let's get back. Back in the USA. No, not back. I'm back. Back in the New York groove. I'm back. Back in the New York groove. Who sang that? That was Ace Frehley sang that. Back in the New York groove. Yeah, so I know a lot of folks have the Sawyer filters. A lot of people like them. I've heard people not be happy with them. I've had this Pocket Katadyn now for 5 years. I've had to use it really twice. Like even here, you don't need to use it there. I just find I can be sensitive to stuff, and when I'm out on my own, I don't want to be sensitive to anything, so I'm always a bit overkill. It's better safe than sorry, and it's served me well. Anyway, but yeah, you know, you can Google these Katadyn things. They're bomb-proof. I mean, it feels like you could literally just throw this thing into a tree, pick it up, off you go. It's a silver impregnated ceramic filter. Comes with a measuring clip, so you know when the filter needs to be replaced, which they say is about 50,000 liters. That's a lot of drinking water. Yeah. Katadyn. So this hose, this hose you want to keep clean. You don't want any creepy crawlies growing on it. And you try and dry it out. And I'm only going to be out for one night, so I will put it back in its bag and then make sure it's all properly dry later. So this is a cleaning kit. So this is the measuring tool for the ceramic filter. When this can slide all the way over the filter, you need to replace it. So don't lose this, and don't cheap out, because, and this is lubricant for all the O-rings in the Katadyn, and it's a good idea to make sure they're all clean, top-notch order. And to clean the Katadyn, you just take a Brillo pad and you just scrub evenly all around, up and down a few times, and it gets rid of some of the ceramic, and then you're good to go again. You don't back flush it, none of that. You little fly. But yeah, and it's a good idea you have to let this thing dry out. I'm not going to do it now, but that's the filter. Yeah. It's very, very good. It's all machined aluminum. Literally, you could, this thing feels like it'll survive anything. Yeah. So the Katadyn. It's a bit heavy, but considering how important drinking water is, I'm confident I can pretty well get good drinking water without boiling anywhere with this. Now, it won't sift mud or anything, so be sensible. And this is a pre-filter, but if you're into dirty water, it's a good idea to put a coffee filter. Just wrap the coffee filter around this as well. Dunk it in, and you'll protect the filter longer. And that's the name of the game, because I think these are over $400 now or something, $430. But a 20-year warranty. So Katadyn really stands behind these things. Now granted, water filters, if you got to collect on your warranty, hopefully you didn't have to lose a kidney to do it. But I have faith in the Katadyn. Absolutely. Yeah, I hear a lot of people talk good things about Sawyer. Good for them. Hopefully they keep up making the good products, but until something better comes along than the Katadyn, I'm not switching. This is going to be my go-to filter. Enough of filter talk. Now I'm going to put some Gatorade in that and gear up to cross Surprise Lake. I'll turn you back on when we get to the other side. Bye for now.